Previously on our channel, we covered, do you really need to exercise like crazy to lose weight? Now, let's pick up right where we left off and dive into what's next. The shocking truth. Calories burned in 4 ways. According to research, your body burns calories through 4 different processes, and exercise is just one of them. Basal metabolic rate. This is the energy your body uses to keep you alive, breathing, circulating blood, processing nutrients, and creating cells. BMR accounts for a whopping 70% of the calories you burn daily. Thermic effect of food. Your body burns energy digesting, absorbing, and processing the food you eat. It contributes about 10% of your daily calorie burn. Non-exercise activity thermogenesis. These are the calories you burn through everyday movements, walking, standing, cleaning, or even typing. It adds up to around 15% of your calorie burn. Exercise activity thermogenesis. These are the calories you burn through structured workouts or physical exercise. Surprisingly, it only contributes about 5% of your daily calorie burn. Now that you know, do you still think you need to exercise excessively to lose weight?
No.
So, the answer is clear: you don't have to exercise like crazy to lose weight. What's your biggest takeaway from this? Share in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more myth-busting insights.